Well, hi, my kindergarten friends. Today we're going to do a couple different sheets. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need this math sheet that says 267 on the bottom, and that has the number 11 up here. Then you're also going to need to have, mine is in a sleeve, but you won't need yours in a sleeve, page 269 and 270. All right. We're going to start with this sheet. We're going to do it together. So get your pencil and something to write on. Now, that first number is 11. Remember this? What is that number? Watch again. So we've got 110 and a 1. Now, on your worksheet, and I'm going to do mine and then I'm going to hold it up for you. So we know that 10 equals, or actually, let me say that again, 11 equals 10 plus, let me move it back, that one more. So I'm going to write that. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Now, right above that 10, I need to put in 10 little circles. I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. Here's my 10. And then I'm going to go to the very bottom down here and I'm going to put in one more. Because 10 plus 1 equals 11. Then I'm going to practice writing my 11s all the way going down. And I'll show you what that's going to look like in just a minute. Here you go. 11. Now, we're going to do 12. Watch this. So first we need 10, and then how many more? So we've got our 10 stick, and then we need 2 ones. 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. Watch again. 10 and 2. So first, I wrote my equation, 10 equals 2 plus 10. Now, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to draw my circles all the way up above the 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I need 2 more. Take a peek at that. Can you do that? And then over here, I'm going to write my 12. When you write your 12, you need a 1 first, and then a 2. 1 and 2, I have 1 10 and 2 1s, and that makes a 12. Now, we've got 11, 12. Do you know what's next? 13, 10 freeze, and we've got 3 1s. So I'm going to write 10 plus 3 equals 13. That's what I want you to write down there at the bottom. And then where it says 10, I want you to put in little circles all the way up. 4. So you've got your 10. How many 1s do you need? You need 3. So go to the bottom, and you're going to start from the bottom, and you're going to go up for 3. And then I want you to write your 13s all the way down here. A 1 and a 3. Going all the way down. Now, see if you know this number. 10 and 4. Here's my 10. And I've got 4 more. I'm going to put my 4 this way so that you can see it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to write, they gave me a 10 plus 4 equals 14. Then I'm going to go above my 10, and I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to go all the way up for my 4. Or for my 10, sorry. And then how many more do I need? 4 more. Start at the bottom. And then I'm going to write the number 14. 1, 4, 1, 4. Is a 14 one group of 10 and 4 1s. Now, I need you to put this in a really good spot because we're going to be working on our book another day. So set it aside after you show a picture of it on Seesaw to your teacher, and we're going to go on to our other lesson today. I'm not going to have to talk about this page very much because I know you guys are really good at it. What you need to do is you need to count the dots. The first row is 5. So 5 and the partner is 2. What is that number? 7. You're going to connect it. And then they have 5 and a partner of 4. How many is that? 9. You're going to connect it. And then they have 5 and 5. What's that? 10. When you connect it, you're going to connect it dot to dot. And you're going to do this here and on this side and then down here. Here's my challenge to you for the dot to dot. They told you to start at 1, but I want you to start at 19 and I want you to go backwards to practice your counting. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, all the way to 1. And maybe color that. Send that to your teacher, but hold it nice and straight. On the back side is where you're going to practice some addition and subtraction stories. I'm going to use some manipulatives. And I'm going to tell a story. The first one for number 4. I had 1 napkin. And then I made a mess. So I needed 3 more. 1 plus 3 makes how many? 4. So I want you to put a 4 in there. My next story problem, I had 2 socks and then I got 2 more. Here's my partner numbers. What's my answer? 2 plus 2. You're right, it's 4. So I'm going to put a 4 there. Now the next one. Here's what happened. I had, true story, 1 tree fall when we got that wind in my woods. 1 tree. And then 0 more fell. How many total trees fell in my yard? 1. So I hope you're writing this down. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Now the next one. I had 2 bananas and then I had 1 more. How many bananas do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Check it. 2 and 1 more is 3. That's one way that you can show addition. You could also, the next one says 3 plus 2. You could also put in, and I'm going to move the video down like this a little bit closer so that maybe you can see it. So I'm going to put in 3 circles, and then I'm going to put my breakaway stick, and I'm going to put 2 more. How many is that all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next one. I had 1 marshmallow, and then a friend brought over 4 more. This is adding, so it's going to get bigger. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's do the next one. 1 plus 2. I had 1 deer in my yard, and then 2 more deer came. How many deer is that? 2, 3. We're going to do 1 more together. I had, true story, 2 dogs. Mark came home one day and brought home 0 more. How many dogs do I have altogether? 2. Now, I one looks different. My cameraman is having a nap, so he wasn't able to take these pictures for me today. So I've done 2 rows with you. Your job is to do 1 more row, and then you get to pick 2 rows down at the bottom to do. Watch carefully. We did 2 rows together. You're going to do 3 rows by yourself, and you get to X out 1 row. I don't care which row you choose, but you're going to X it out. All right. I can't wait to see your work. Thanks so much for watching my video on 10 frees and addition. Good night. Goodbye, actually.